result of a macho headlines we catch a wave for a new century. Figuring out how to be free, stop getting impeded. Motivation's needed, comes from within, so let's begin. Yeah, shrugging off the complex, it's more than a reflex. Shrugging off the complex, it's more than a reflex. Not afraid to stand out or shout, not part of this British state. So we're getting rid of our hate, our country's coming back to us. No bother, no mess, no fuss, no less than we expect. Shots direct, anger in a positive way. Touch on here, join the fray. Bang, bang, beats and rhymes, we're moving ahead of our time. Yeah, Cami man, it's me or no. Cami man, it's me or no. Edrych man, it's a bottle, come on. I'm so good at bend that bundle. Shrug off the complex. Yeah, shrug off the complex. Yeah, hen cat, never cat, that gun on late shine, never rate shine. Your board and grieve are well on deep. As some kept from home by the director. Hand on later, a power of scam. Dwi'n llwgi, tasgu, trosi, throsi, William Locker, Cali Croggy, angen rheolau ni ein hun, a ddim cael trin fel machine, yn torri a ddysgu hun yn hyder, ddod â ni, ac yn gwrthedd codi lan naw, off y naw! 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, bys wir yn cyfri, hei John, dal o ddifring, wnefo'i pwerau mawr, yn o saffring fel mawn o'r lawd, yn ei slowio, sgen ti blod wedi chwym, na sgen i ddim, ys ti'n meddwl clir mwyn halio'n hun, mae'n digon blaen, hollol blaen, annibynnol, damddiarol, llais chwildro yn yr ardal, lledi'r genlwr, donydd ysgrifnachol, Sleibar, MC Baker, gwythyn ysbyddiad, rebel gweithgar, cyllun o'r chwildro, fi Cymru ffrwydro, dyna os am y hymle, ymlaen mae hawliau. Dwi'n honest, byth dysgu, dal i galed, byth gymysgu'r y ddinas, sy'n neud fi'n wan, sgwyddi dam, sgwbod pam, rymblo ar y stryd, cic o'r crapio ar y cyd, mewn yn hyn da ni i gyd. Erbyn eidiom yn fater o gael gelyn, mangen fydding ar mesur gelyn, byd yn wrong ar chwarae delyn, kick against the system, that's not the point, never got any solace in smoking a joint, what's the point, you sit in front of the telly, you sit still, that's when the enemy comes in for the kill, and the best form of defense is attack, and this conviction I will never lack, the people inside of me tire me, get a grip, hold on to it, I don't give a shit what goes on inside of it, inner genocide, in the side, suicide, on the bright side, inner side, homicide, shrug off the complex, 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 shrug off the complex. Yeah, coming on strong, good on trust John, never gonna quit, never going legit on the wrong side of the law, with a lot of rhymes in store, making the beat raw, making connections, major selections, time to change the direction, what the hell, give us a written constitution, further devolution, voice for the nation, shrug off the complex, everyday life politics, over funky licks. Watch out for the dirty tricks. No need to give a reason to keep on keeping on. If our stance is treason, we ain't justifying aggression. We don't have to justify anything. Hip hop poetry in motion, the streets are in commotion. Our mother tongue was stolen, the lives of laymen. They tried to crush the nation. Henry VIII destroyed our religion, burned our books, stole the faith. Our history is a set of lies agreed upon, but some has another notion. And over the years, planned revolution. Shrug off the complex. Shrug off the complex.